the Zongo ministry is doing a lot and lot. But Chief Osman, our year penny our Zongo Funyano say, and yeah, Bibian who are Ekoso, the Zongo communities in Asante region, not even Aswasenkwa, Asante region, but Maminya or Peshuano so. Because one our MC DNA then I'm with my pinpoint is at least my ABA not under the Zongo ministry. But when you do air, but under the Zongo ministry.
Yo, Kofi Dedika Mamicha or negative. Now I'm sir, oh Kabibino, I'm sir point of correction be but my name sir Chief Usman or no one Adrian Baswa, Kabebwa or no one in that the leader of Zongo Chiefs, and Tessa, because there was 17 Zongo who is the leader of the Zongo Council, 17 Zongo Council, and the BS was Council of Zongo Chiefs.
Maminya this clarification from Onoankasa. Chief Osman, meaning so we are National Vice President for Fulani's Association, right?
We are regional chief of Fulani in Ashanti and then the vice president of the country.
What is
Fulani
your
chiefs? Fulani chiefs.
Fulani chiefs. What is your relation in terms of Zangos?
I'm an integral part of it. Only do not Bisane, Honorable Bisano.
Okay.
And I mean, very well.
Okay, I understand. Until more like Basse Zango community is no leader there. You are not in any leadership position now.
I am a serious leader in the community.
Okay. Ali don't patch out, my trust me.
So the see kind, meaning the pa, you near we pa, and yet, you know, said we see kind, no number said me chim name now, clear. Because one here, and tell me who headlines we are also say the leader of the Zongo community, I can say, also draw that sort of distinction will be a clear. Kofi Dedika, Minya Penny Chief Usman, or Madame Fupa. Na Adeba Connection says, I need Biano, a chassis baby, now could do baby. I strongly believe, sir, Abra, and near maybe one more a chassis, na ye under the Zongo ministry, no. Na Chief Usman, no Yambi Dia, or ye nipa minimum or cannot drink the but the name of BCC and no Satan no Yambi Dia de. Inti, them say Anka Unyabo Trend Yishiae and a BBC by a tricky mua and can be on common best as you go forward. But they're making Kofi Zongo ministry, you know, a buy a mekaiser ye honorable boniface man by a pet or by Ashanti region here to a yet Ashanti keke or the whole Ghana. Oba Ashanti no be share catcher say oba by stakeholders engagement. Na oni Zongo mpanyifo adi nkomo. Oni adi nkomo wi a wa hwe enema ofisi betumi aye. Kofi mene boniface ye bi wa so ase mene noa boana ko mampon. Mene noa toa so ko adwira. Mene no toa so ko Zongo bedri ani so mpanyifo ko di nkomo. Hono ye kan eba se e wo se ye Zongo orientation, community orientation. Obekaya Mustafa Hamid ba ye be program bi wo Georgia. Emma ada ye be program wo Georgia no. Meni Mustafa Hamid ne president na na do danko Akufo-Addo kushia nyumbrema na na Akufo-Addo kan bibi se Ali the next time I meba mi program wo Ashanti region se me ka se meba Aswansi anase Zongo mepese idenya ho obi a ibetumi aye program no wa kozu bekara Aswansi community center eno ka ho ne ye sha ase a ye new community center na said the next time I present be target ni say ibetumi ahustu no wa
and I know you the Zongo the ministry na e developing
I know you assembly no ye
okay Alidu the discussion has not been the win ye it's not about Aswansi
the foundation be amount
I know but the foundation may not be a the discussion because one can Aswansi assembly No. I'll be looking at the Zongo Development Ministry project or
more. Assembly or T. You are
Asokorimampon, yeah, that is right. You are right.
Boy, no, man can't okay. No, now, Obeso, you call a simple sweet, mamma, men from Monaco. Could Asokorimampon, ha? Sa ashooters now, or can was me. A idea, almost buy, yes, almost yourself from scratch. No one to see. Omo ye juma no ese oba ono mu a street lights no ba wo mse flashlight na wo so omo di si no pool ni nyina omo asi ene ma wo so omo di wi adwuma no me no wo ka se omo approcure de aba enya baby di aba dugu enti last week ena ministry no alert ye say contractor no move back no aba be wi oba ye hwe say o free site compare so obi wi no what ten say film me no wo ka say yeah, expecting so beba no about complete because all year man na lockdown no buy nti na wo so oyi ne nko for kwa fi ha omko nti omo ntumi anto adwuma ne so no wo nti se bia wo ka say asotef no aka ba bia aka no a that was the issue
for now obe hu chippings nko ana wo ho
there be enya chippings nko amesrawo me no wo ka say supporter stand almost kura aka finishing touches obeko no flashlight no almost see pools ni nyina ina perimeter no almost nyina na enfinfin no almost the pipes share afiance almost the chippings nagu almost buy no almost be two amana almost be two ahwe wo no nyina e de ntofo begu so ele pipes wa se and some of the chippings never begu so and is the same the aka ne say so almost ba aswetef no ba beto so onwo ko enti baby a adwuma na adwuma di kan no de to so mienu Zongo ministry no aba Watania Islamic school aba the ICT center ama wo mu last week computers in aba do dua akasa gifet beba do connect internet facilities ni anamudi ama school no bia Zongo ministry na ye from scratch
I see
kaya ya bae ya ka say abuabu number 1 palali nsuo to na yiri enti sa time no omo de engineers by my engineers in the can say ufa drawings are beto so say e wo no I mean say dey no I filtered ye disiltia e betumi amansuo na ran omo disilti ye we na omo ze sa ufa drawing na beto so no a different from the wall enti we na aye deceptive. On the basis of that, almost a report educo say it was a bit demolish ababo drain no. It is that time the Boniface can say obeyly Ediama Ministry of Works and Housing. Me no can say hydro for a Juma Omoye no war CCC or Sipebu Krumwa. A Jumano ena ma omo delay. Omo babu Mamadou Shehu Bridge. Omo fu ambeba ababo bridge. Inti Zongo ministry na djuma na obeye no e no identify say problem o wa say Ministry of Works and Housing is taking up ena e dey say djuma na buy me no ka say Watania omo 6 unique classroom block no so no Zongo ministry no ena e ba beye Sakafia e was 6 unique classroom block no Zongo ministry na e ba beye. This is the minimum ewa Sokorimampon ha say
okay
ofi all the list Obisa omo Zongo ministry no PR department phone ya me no ka say eduma omo aye no Zongo nyina so ho enye Kumasi Zongo kwa adesu Zongo okwa akwati Zongo
okay Alido I think that the discussion
Kofi mesro the mika ko se nyina ne say Chief Usman o yimini papa minim no minimie na samba na meka minim de metumi aka but them say misunderstanding with regards to these issues no it no mesre say me na be hia na me na di nkomo pa na anti asai adwuma maybe you shouldn't be faulted debi tisa but the tenacity because before so wa be di ade no nyema because wa na onyamba so ntini bia we nyante nti onya abotre
okay
bibia na bibia tuyi
me da sepa Chiwasman.
Yes, sir.
But wetie MC who
my
comment.
dear Kuma Honorable Halidu Dokai now. MC no he will tell you a lot about me.
Oh yes.
As it is. The political party.
Yes.
So we are then me prima put by a community, you know, and I'm sure he's our leader in the community in terms of politics. Yes. So I can't say Mate, but they should make sure say development they will say by your community, you know.
Okay.
I'm not only talking about sport.
Street. Na to the music no. Them say nchiremu we bantemu anka bia amasi. Ba me no bi sia na.
Me da say Chief Osman anopay me da wase. Me gire say nkomo no ebeto so. Ye be komra hye bedwam. Ya kwaje update on after the test of parliamentarians and staff. Me da wase piano pay live on Nhyira 104.5 FM 20 minutes past 7 and is it confirmed? Is it is a question I'm no pay. Is it confirmed? Say MPs 2 are tested positive for COVID and 13 parliamentary staff and so are confirmed are tested positive for COVID-19 and Meba na ya the update no the amount but in fact though parliamentary PRO Parliament PRO for Parliament ababonte ma make it send no credit ade chi CBB for fresi. What is the details? Me ba sisi a na me dia mo.